In this video, I want to show you how to earn $100 per day with MEXC Global Exchange using sports trading. No experience needed, which means if you are very new to trading world, you can easily use my strategy to make money. First thing that's very important is for you to have an account with MEXC. Check the pinned comments. I'll put my link there for you to sign up and you can have opportunity to get sign up bonus. How to sign up, secure your account and verify your account. Special video on that, I have it. Check the pinned comment or description to this video. After signing up, verify your account, securing your account. The next thing is to put money there, fund your account in order to do business. If you don't know how to do this, I have special video on that on how to buy crypto and MEXC. If you have interest in the video, also check the pinned comment and description to this video or somewhere around here. I'll put the link there. So I believe every one of you have MEXC account and probably you have funded your account. So open the app now. If you are using the mobile browser, probably you will see the interface like this. So just click on trade. Look at trade here. This place, just click on trade and you will get to this interface to trade. So next thing to do is to come here. You see the trading pair. So we have to change this one now. Click on this place. Then you can look for other crypto assets or whatever. I will use Bitcoin as a sample for you. There are many more that are profitable if you can trade them. But I will use BTC USDT trading pair as a sample for this. So I click on it. Now I think you'll be seeing the interface like this on your phone. For better viewing experience, I will change this from mobile view to desktop view. But if you are using app, I mean MEXC app, probably you may be seeing it this way. The next thing to do is to come here. Now click on this icon. Oh great. Now I think we can see it clearly like this. We have achieved the same thing through the app, mobile browser view and desktop view. Now look at this buy button. This is buy and sell. So we want to buy coin now. You know, this is all about buy and sell to make profits. Just so simple. And the strategy I want to show you here is such a way that even with no experience, you can easily do this to make money. But don't forget, only put what you can afford to lose. At times, you may aim to have instant profits, but it may be delayed. So there is no guarantee in crypto trading. We may guess and it may not come the way we want it. So if you are an experienced trader, you know what I'm talking about. But to make money, put what you can afford to lose. And with spot trading, I don't see any reason for you to lose. Only what you need is patience. Let me show you my past trade on MEXC here. Look at this. I have set the limit to sell my crypto asset here. But let me show you the past trade I have here. So I click on trade history. Now look at this. This BTC, for instance, I bought it when it was 86,204. And then I did not have much USDT with me because I've used it to buy coin from other exchanges. But on MEXC, I only have small amount of USDT. Now look at it. I bought 19.96 when BTC was 86,204. Now let's see the value of it now. Now the value of it is now 96,624. This is BTC current price, 96,625.96. And I bought this when it was 86,204. In fact, it got to 70 something thousand. And I was telling my people, please buy this thing, invest. I was begging people, buy this thing, invest in this thing. You will later make profits. Now, with this, now let's say when it was 86,000, I got like $1,000 and I bought it. Let's just do the calculation. I'm not allowed to do this. Okay, let's do this way. The money I have here, let me convert it. I think this is part of the thing you need to know. When you fund your account on MEXC, let me show you something. Let me click on wallet. Let me click on wallet. Then the last video I made on how to deposit, I put small amounts of USDT there. So let's see where the money is. The money is in fiat. Or let me scroll down. Okay, see now, look at what I have on spot and future, nothing, then fiat. That is the money, where the money is here. So you know what I need to do now? I need to convert this money now from fiat now to spot so that I can use it for spot trading. So you know that trading is spot sports trading and the money is in fiat, so I need to convert it from fiat now to sports. And likewise, if I want to do future trading, I need to convert them to future. How will I do that? There are many ways to do that. Even from here, you are seeing fiat in here now. Just click on these dotted lines, then click on transfer. That is one method. Another method is this. Look at fiat here, click here, and you will see the money. Then click on transfer from here or from here down here. But from here, let me click on transfer. So transfer from where? If you look at here, this is sports to fiat. So instead, we want to transfer from fiat to sport. So I will click on this one now to switch it. Click here. It will be switched automatically. So now look at the money. It's showing the balance now. What I have in my fiat. Then I can select all. Click on this all. Then I'll click on transfer. Another method, even from this sport interface here, you can easily click here. Look at this place. Available is 0 USDT. You can easily click on this place. Just click here. Are you now seeing it? We arrived to the same place. Then you click on all. Good. Now click on transfer. Now you are using the money there or not? It's appearing. This is 3.15 USDT. So there are many ways to that, and I think you grab. Please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Give me a like on this video. Turn up the notification bell. Do you have any question? Drop it for me in the comment section, guys. And please, lest I forget, this keyword on the screen here, I beg you, please include at least one of them in your comments in order to help this video rank well. Thank you, guys. God bless you. So now I think I can type inside here now. So back to where we were. I said then I put $19.96 there, right, to buy this coin. And when it was 86,200 plus, right? So I will copy this now. Copy this. That is average BTC price. Then I will now put it here. Now 86,204. So let's say then instead of this little amount of money I put there, let's say I now put $1,000 there. Fuck up. The limit of the money I have is what I can put there. You can see I only have 3.15, but other exchange will allow you to put any value there, even though they won't allow you to execute it. Let me use another exchange. So I use CoinEx now. Let's say then I bought when it was 86,204, right? And then I have just few amounts of dollars, maybe 30 point something, right? But let's say then I have capital like $1,000 there, and here I put $1,000. This is the amount of BTC the money should be able to buy. So let me copy it. Now that the Bitcoin price is 96,660 as at now when I'm making this video, let's say I want to sell the Bitcoin now. I'll come here and paste it. Now look at the profit I have. I have 1,121 USDT, which means I have 121 profit on this. See, there is no stress in this at all. The higher the capital, the higher the amount of profit you can make from this. You don't need to stress. Just put money there and just forget. Even look at this one. I have said to sell BTC also from here, and I put the target there. So if you want to sell also, you come here, click on sell, then you put the amount of BTC you want to sell, you put it here. Now if I want to sell the Bitcoin now with that little amount of money I put there, I'll click on sell, then I'll drag this so that to put all the BTC I have, selling it at a rate of 22.38 US dollars. Something I bought rate of 19.96, and look at the little difference there. You know, this is something, the higher the capital you have, the higher the profit you can get from this. But the short thing there is that you will later make your profit, only you don't know when. You can make money there every day. That is if you want to become day trader. Let me show you how it works. Maybe I'll make another video on that. Look at this. This is 24 hours high, 24 hours low. So which means within 24 hours, look at the low, 95,611 and 97,421, and you have your profit within 24 hours. That is every day. I'm going to make a special video on that, on how to get this as well. But now if you want to buy, I'll come to this buy. If you want to buy, this is how to do it. You don't just close eyes and buy. Check it very well. I have zoomed off this now. Look at this. Look at when the thing was down. You will buy when you see that the price have gone down. You will buy and be waiting for when the price will increase, then sell. How will you do that? Look at this now. From this chart now, I can see that it's down here. So let me check when it's down. The price when it's down is this. You will be checking at this place, all right? So when I put it here now, you'll be checking the price here. Then the date is down here now. Let me put it so that I can see the date. As I put it here now, the price was 92,981.44, right? Now look at the date down. The date is 2025 April 30. April 30. Today is what? Today is May 2nd, right? And which means 2 days ago, the price was 92,981. On first, okay, this one is yesterday. On first, the price was 97,415. 419. Okay, 97,421 within a day. Let's now assume that I bought this when it was 92,965. Now I can put any amount. I think I've shown you how to do that. Maybe you put $1,000 there, you put $100 there, even if it's $50 and you sell it when this thing gets to 97,421. You have a profit within a day. Okay, let me show you how to buy. If you want to buy now, there is limit and there is market. Limit means that you want to set it. Maybe you are like, now the price is what? The current price is 96,760 and you are like, I want to buy when the thing gets to like, let's say 94. You can put it here now. The thing is limit already. This is limit. Or let me put it in mobile view. Okay, this is the mobile view. So I will click on buy. So the current price is 96,781 and the limit. Okay, let me start from the market. If I click on this market, it means you want to buy at that exact price you are meeting it. So as you put the market like that, automatically if you put the amount, click on buy, it will buy it at the specific market when you are executing the buy button. But if you put it on limit, it means you are instructing the system that buy it for me when it gets to this rate. Now what rate? You can now fix it here. Current rate is 96,781. You can go there and edit that. Okay, buy it for me when it gets to, let's say 94,000. Now we have set the BTC price there. Now amount, what amount of this you want to buy? You now put like USDT you want to put here now. You can now say, okay, type like, let's say 100. Sorry, this thing will only allow me to put maximum I have. So you will now put it there. I'll show you how to put phone, how to buy USDT, and I've shown you how to convert it to spot wallet so that I can able to use it here. Based on MEXC, other exchange will allow you to put any amount, like if you want to train people. But with this now, they only allow you to put the maximum you have there. So you put it here now and click on buy. That's all. So this will buy for you. When you put it on buy, let me show you how it will look like. Click on close from here. Now let me show you the one. Okay, now look at this. Now you see it in open order. That is limit. You set the limit. You see in open order, and when done, it will come to this order history. You will not see anything here. You will see it will remain in order history. So you can do open order. You can do as many as possible. But the moment one of them has been executed, it will not be among the open order again. You will see it in order history. Then you see that it has been executed. Now if you want to sell, the same thing, click on sell button here. Then you can put the whole of BTC you want to sell. Just put the whole of everything here, or from here you can drag this to the right, everything like that. So when drag to the right, you see the value amount you stand to profit. Now the limit, you know, this is limit is 96 something. Don't forget please, limit. If you want to sell in market, you can put it market. Click on market, which means by the time, let me click on market again. By the time you are seeing it, like just come and check, you see that boom, the rate has gotten to 100,000 plus. You are like, hey, let me quickly go and sell it. Let me quickly go and sell. You don't need to set limit at that time because you are seeing rates that really favor you and profitable for you. So just put it in market, not limit. Put it in market, put the value here, everything like this, then click on sell. But if you are not feeling fine with the current rate, you can now click on limit. Put it on limit. Be very sure that you put it on limit. Then this one is very important. Set the price. Set the price. Okay, when this thing gets to, you know, the current price is like, when the thing gets to maybe 100 or 102,000, whatever, you will set it here. Then you will now put the value amount, then click on sell. Then you will see it in open order. Then one more thing I need to show you with this chart, because some people will be like, should I buy now or not? Look at this, the maximum here, the date, check. You can also go to CoinMarketCap. This is coinmarketcap.com. From here now, you can come to look for BTC. This is Bitcoin. Click on it. Then from here, you can scroll, come down. Good. Now, this is BTC, Binance, Bybit, Orbit. Let's go and look for MEXC. This is MEXC. Under MEXC now, let's see. We want to make use of +2 and -2 debt analysis to determine when to buy or not. So from here now, +2 debt means, this +2 debt means that many people are willing to buy more if this thing can increase with just 2%. Why -2 means that people that are ready to sell if the price decrease by 2%. So let's check, let's weigh them, both -2 debt and +2 debt. Let's see the price. Look at this now. +2 debt means it's $5,600,000 plus dollars. Look at this minus debt. So the plus debt is more than the minus debt, which means more people are willing to buy, and there is tendency that they will favor people that are willing to buy. So if it's the people, this -2 debt, willing, the people that are willing to sell, that is more than the people that are willing to buy. buy, they will favor people that are willing to sell. So which means there is tendency that this will increase any moment from now. Let me put it in trade view here. Now look at this. There is tendency that this will still spike up. With what we are seeing, based on the depth analysis we check now, more people are willing to buy. So there is tendency that they will favor people, and if you check it carefully, you see that this is green. It indicates that it's still coming up more and more. So if you want to buy, you can buy. Another strategy I want to teach you is this. Let's say you have $1,000 to invest in this. You don't just close eyes and say, okay, I want to buy, and put 1,000, pump it there like that, boom. No, it's wrong, because this thing is volatile, it's not stable. You can utilize, when you see that there is tendency that this thing will increase, or you see that this thing is dropping, it's more advisable to buy when you see that it's dropping. You see that it's dropping, just like here, you see that it's dropping, buy. And don't put all your money there. You can be putting, let's say from you have $1,000, you can be putting like $100 or $50. When you see that this thing still it decrease more, it's keep cutting down more, still put another one. You see that it's still going down more, that is how to invest. Most of my investment in different exchanges, that's how you should do it. Small money. Don't put everything once, because when the thing get to like, let's say 92,000 plus, you put the whole of $1,000 there, and within few hours you realize that this are fall below again. You'll be regretting like, oh, I didn't know, I shouldn't have bought it then, I should have waited. So to avoid this, just be putting little amount of money there. So that is the advice I have for you. If you have any questions based on this, please drop it for me in the comment section. I will try to respond to that as soon as possible. If you found value in this video, please make sure you give me a like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified with my subsequent video uploads in this channel. This is the next video I want you to go and watch. Trust me, you will thank me later for this. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.